Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the third part of simplest way to balance a chemical equation. And here the given equation is Fe plus H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus H2. And let us note down the elements of the equation in a table. The three elements are Fe, hydrogen and oxygen. There are only three kinds of elements if you can see in this equation. So how many Fe molecules or atoms are there on the left side? The left side is the reactant side and the right side is the product side. So on the left side there is one Fe, but on the right side the number of products, the iron molecules or the iron atoms, the number of atoms of iron on the product side is 3, on the reactant side that is 1. And hydrogen, the number of atoms in reactants, it is 2, and also the same in the product side also. And oxygens, 1 oxygen on the left and 4 oxygens on the right. Here you can observe one thing is that in this equation the hydrogens are balanced but not the iron and oxygen. So as I have discussed the three rules in the before two videos, the last two videos, now the fourth rule is that in this kind of situations where you have two atoms to balance with, some people will get doubt that what do we start with oxygen or with iron. And the fourth rule says that look for the atom which is maximum in number on any side. On any side meaning on the reactant side or on the product side. The product side is the right side and the reactant side is the left side. So look for the atom which is maximum in number on any side, either the reactant or product side. From this table the maximum number is 4. If you can see, the least one is 1, 2, 3, 4. The maximum number, if you see, it belongs to oxygen. What is this oxygen on the product side? The number of atoms in products, the number of oxygen atoms in product, it is 4. The number of oxygen atom in reactant, it is 1. So the fourth rule says look for the atom which is maximum in number on any side, on either on the reactant side or on the product side. If you got the maximum number of any atom, then you need to start balancing with that one. So now, as of now, the aim is to balance oxygen first. So if you can see here, Fe plus 4H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus H2, and this is partly balanced. Why we call it as partly balanced is because here iron is not balanced, only the oxygen is balanced. So now let's balance hydrogen. Fe plus 4H2O. So now let's balance hydrogen. So now we need to balance hydrogen. Fe plus 4H2O, which gives rise to Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Now why we have written 4H2 is that in the equation on the reactant side there are 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens. On the product side there are only 2 hydrogens. To get 8 hydrogens we need to multiply H2 into 4, because 4 into 2 is 8 hydrogens. Here also 4 into 2 is 8 hydrogens. So now we have balanced hydrogens, but it's still partly balanced because we did not balance Fe here. First we balanced oxygen and then hydrogen and then Fe, because as per the order the one with the more atoms should be balanced first and then the one with the least atoms. The one with the least atoms is Fe. So at last we will be balancing Fe. So now let's balance Fe, that is iron. So on the product side we have Fe3. So on the reactant side also we need to have 3 Fe atoms. So to do that we have to multiply 1 Fe into 3. So that makes 3 Fe plus 4H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus 4H2. As you can see, the number of atoms of each element is equal on both the sides. 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens, 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens, 4 oxygens, 4 oxygens, 3 Fe, Fe3. So now everything is balanced. So now let's look at the symbols of the physical states. We know the physical states like gas, liquid, aqueous, solid. Generally we hear solid, liquid, gas, but what is this aqueous? Have you ever wondered? Aqueous means on the reactants or on the product side, which is present as a solution in water, that is known as aqueous. For example, if you see in this reaction 3Fe plus 4H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Here Fe is in solid state, H2O is in gaseous state, Fe3O4 is in solid state, and 4H2 is in gaseous state. So here we can say that the H2O is in gaseous form. So if H2O is in gaseous form, that means it is present as steam. Fe is solid and Fe3O4 is also solid, and 4H2 is also gas. So here water, if water is present as in gaseous form, that means water in gaseous form is called steam. If you can see here, water in gaseous H2O form is used as steam in the reaction. Always write temperature above the arrow and pressure below the arrow. So A plus B gives rise to 100 degrees Celsius in the temperature. With the help of temperature at 100 degrees Celsius, we say at 100 degrees Celsius gives rise to C and D. So we can write like this: if A is in solid and B is in gas and C is in liquid and also D is in liquid. So that's the thing. And pressure you have to write the below the arrow, like 5 bar, and temperature always above the arrow. So that's it for today's class. And if you like my video, please like the video, and if you find this video helpful, you please share it to your friends or the person who is facing trouble in this particular subject. So thank you very much for watching my video.